Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by Denise Jordan in This and That with Denise Jordan. We're gonna get this together, so I will show you how did I do it. Our host asked us to do a kitchen vignette challenge including a tray, fall decor item just like this and this and this and this and everything else. Something with words in it, in this case is our plate, and display it on our kitchen. Later I'm going to show you how it looks on my kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how I made this. First of all, we're going to need a tray, and then we're going to take our plate. Look at this plate. I made it. It's a DIY. We're going to take a plate stand. We're going to put it right here. We're going to get our plate and put it over there like that, making it sure that it's secured. This is just floral and leaves from Walmart. Those sunflowers and those leaves. Okay, this has a tag. These are the 97 cents leaves and 97 cents sunflowers. And this is just glass I just found in the 99-cent store. And I put them inside there and I just arrange them a little bit. So this one, it's gonna go here. After that, we're gonna put a pumpkin just right here, and some leaves over here, and some leaves over here. These are the leaves from Walmart, also 97 cents. And I have this decor. I found this in Walmart. I believe it was $1.24 or something like that. And we're gonna put this right here. I wanted to show. It doesn't have a stand, so it's kind of hard to put it there. Okay, so we're gonna put these leaves over here so we won't block our little pumpkin. And we have some berries that came in a package of pumpkins from Walmart. We can put them like here. And some pine cones, another pine cone, a smaller pumpkin, green one. We put it there. We put this here. Okay, this is flipping. We put this here, and we have some other berries that we can put over here if we want, like here or like here. I think they look better over there. And now that we have it arranged, let's put it on the kitchen so you can see it. And this is how it looks in my kitchen. You can see our bigger pumpkin, our berries, our green pumpkin, our pine cones, another berries, our plate. I really love this plate. Now some berries, the leaves, our floral arrangement, our little pumpkin sign, and this is how it looks. I just want to thank our host for just hosting this beautiful challenge. I had a blast with it. I'm going to put her channel link on the description box, and I will put the playlist also so you can check everyone else's video. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe to our channel so you can see more of this type of DIYs and all of the challenges that are coming up. Bye!